Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on sounds on the Done application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the settings icon in the left corner of the screen down below. Now scroll down to the app settings section and tap on General. Now as you can see, the first option is the sounds. So if you want to turn on the sounds within the application, tap on this button. So now this function is enabled. You have turned on the sounds on the Done application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.